All right, so I got a pretty loud squealing coming out of this guy, my 1990 Volvo 740, and I'm pretty sure it's the harmonic balancer. So there's two ways to test this. One is that you can mark it with a pen or whatever marker, and you'll see that the pulley is sliding on the inner part. But I want to hear the difference. So I'm going to spray it with a little WD. Then I'm going to turn it on because the noise is pretty bad. So I should be able to tell if it makes a difference or not. I'm just going to get it all on the inside of the pulley. And let's see if that made any difference by turning it on. So let's find out together. And I'm pretty confident it's the harmonic balancer because when the noise first started, it would initially only make it when I was turning. So anytime I would turn the steering wheel, it would start making noise. Why is my steering wheel stuck?
But this isn't even a word, it's a phrase.
Oh, I got all kinds of lights on, and let's see what's going on here. Let's turn it off, turn the key on. The steering wheel is stuck. It will not freaking move. All right, give me a second. I'm going to check this out. Okay, so I went ahead and did a little diagnosing, and it definitely is a bad harmonic balancer. So all I've done by putting the WD-40 on it, I'm going to show you, is damage. Let me show you what's happening over here. None of my belts are moving. The harmonic balancer is turning, but the actual pulley itself no longer is. You can see it trying to grab. There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Pick it up, pick it up. So adding WD-40 was a big mistake because all I've done is made the car undrivable now, because now with the alternator and the power steering off, I can't do anything. So a new part that I need is a harmonic balancer. I believe it goes for about $80, and it is a simple install. Just got to make sure that it's all lined up and the timing. I hope I